Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because right now Bitcoin is standing in a very crucial point, because after this massive pullback that happened on Saturday, today we saw big strength for the Bitcoin price and we kept the price over $28,900, and actually before a couple of hours we even reached the price above the $29,000 again. And right now you can clearly see that we are forming very beautifully this symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame, which is going to play a crucial role for the next move of the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know, guys, my next price prediction for the Bitcoin price according to the current situations, according to the current financial crisis that we have, and according to what happened the last couple of weeks for the Bitcoin price, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare that I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before any kind of investment. And also I would like to show you my Patreon channel, my Patreon group, because here you're gonna find buy signals of especially low cap gems with projects, not meme coins, projects with real utility, but it's actually unknown projects, and those projects gonna blow up massively in the next bull run from 100x up to 1000x. It's unknown projects, and the time that actually this kind of projects gonna have the reputation that it deserves to have, it's gonna be too late to make crazy exits from your initial investment. This is why I'm spending hours, and actually I saw these buy signals in the Patreon group, and also gonna have my sell signals, stake signals, access to my whole portfolio, access to my strategies, the strategies that I followed in the previous bull run and I made crazy wealth. And last but not least, and the most important part of this VIP soldier group is the Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included there. And guys, here you're gonna have a family where whenever you are and whatever you want, you can ask your question, and actually it's gonna be answered in a matter of time from me, or even from or either from the other guys who have experience of this space. And here we're working like a family, we're reviewing projects. Very soon I'm gonna do live streams, so highly recommended, especially to enter before the altcoin season that is coming and it's on the corner. So let's get back to our Bitcoin analysis, because here we have lots of interesting things to analyze, and I would like to show you guys initially this very significant support and resistance. And I'm gonna remind you for one more time why the current situation is still bullish, and it tends to more to the bullish side rather to the bearish side. We have here four lines, as you can clearly see: red line, blue line, green line, and yellow line. Okay, four lines. The red line is the most crucial support that Bitcoin has right now, and actually as we are above that, the situation of the Bitcoin is tend more to bullish side. As we are over $28,000, which is a daily resistance, this blue line, the situation is bullish. Okay, if we're gonna surpass with a confirmation to close a daily candle above this green line, which is a weekly resistance, the actually situation will be super bullish. And if we actually break this yellow line and close a daily candle above this yellow line, the situation is going to be extremely super bullish, because guys, as you know, this yellow line, this $30,500, is very significant and crucial resistance, because it was the previous support of the bull run of 2021. Okay, and actually the time that we confirmed the breakout of this line had began. So for now, you can clearly see that we are forming a very significant symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame, and the Bitcoin price is above this blue line. I would like to show you the Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, which tend to have a squeeze, and I believe the next coming days we're gonna see a real squeeze like this one, like this squeeze that happened before a couple days. And actually this means that on the Bollinger Band, when this squeeze, that we're gonna have a big move to the upside or either to the downside. Okay, it's actually an imminent move. So The previous time it happened to the upside, so I believe the same that on this squeeze that is about to happen in the next coming days. And mark my words, I believe a lot that we're gonna see massive squeeze on the daily time frame. We're gonna have imminent move, which according to my opinion, I believe that this is gonna break to the upside. So immediately I'm gonna show you my technical price target for this symmetrical triangle, and I'm gonna justify you why I tend more to break to the upside rather to the downside. And as you can clearly see, this symmetrical triangle in the daily resistance is gonna break at $29,350 and close above that. So we're gonna have a confirmation of the breakout of this symmetrical triangle. We have a technical price target at $32,500, and if we're gonna break to the downside, we have a technical price target at $25,600. Okay, so I believe around with the odds of 70% to break to the upside. And the reason of that is because, guys, as you remember, and I'm gonna show you that for one more time because some people confuse their thoughts. Look at this. I was super bearish, as you remember, in all that area. I was super bearish, and Bitcoin had back then even a retest at this $25,200, and I told you at that price that Bitcoin will get into a lower price inevitably. I was super bearish back then. Even when we reached here at $20,000, it was something that I was expecting, and because already here we had two banks which went into a collapse, Bitcoin was following the SP 500, was following the global economy, which was collapsing at that time, and everything was fine. My prediction was correct, and suddenly a third bank went into a collapse, and it was something, a historical move, because three banks in a very short time went into bankruptcy, and at that moment we saw a historical pump, which was this one. Okay, this kind of a PAM, it was for me actually changed my mind because suddenly we saw an adoption for the Bitcoin price. People distrust the bank system, distrust the governments, and start trusting the Bitcoin. And actually, guys, we saw big pump not in the world crypto space, but in the Bitcoin specifically. And the reason of that it was because people start saving money on Bitcoin to save their wealth. Okay, because it's not other sources of assets to being so accessible to invest and save, not invest, save your money. It's right now the Bitcoin and people, especially the new guys, not so much the old ages, but the new guys of approximately ages of 20 within 30, 35 invest and save their money in Bitcoin. And that's why, guys, I became neutral after this pump, and I was waiting for confirmations, and right now I'm tending more to the bullish side. And something that you must recognize is that we can stay on this bear market because the real bull run is going to happen after halving. So we can stay on this bear market, guys, but with higher prices. That's the difference between what people have in their mind right now, and they call that this is bear market, this is bull market. Guys, we can still stay on the bear market with a higher price. Okay, even if we're gonna break this $30,500, we can get up to $40,000-$50,000, and we can stay on the bear market, which means that we're gonna be on the bear market with $40,000-$50,000 price. What this means? It means, guys, when the bull run is gonna come, and the peak of the bull run is gonna happen after the halving, Bitcoin will reach insane, tremendous of all-time high, which could be up to $500,000. Okay, 400 and above, I believe it's gonna be very rational to happen because the adoption, people start investing, saving on Bitcoin, investing on crypto space, and all this big thing will blow up a lot. So that's why I'm tending more to bullish side of the current situation. Okay, This is what I would like to tell you. That's why I'm bullish on this symmetrical triangle from technical and also from fundamental side. Also here, the exponential moving average of the 4-hour time frame is still bullish. DIX is moving lower and lower, and it was something that was expected to happen. Also, I told you when the Dixie was at $105 that we're gonna see Dixie under to $100 in the next coming weeks, as it happened here. And I believe in the next coming weeks we're gonna see Dixie under to $100, and this is obvious super bullish for the Bitcoin price. And last but not least, we have this MACD indicator, which on the monthly time frame and especially on the month of May, if we're gonna close this monthly candle above the $30,000 and actually over this $30,500 in the area of $34,000, this could change and we can finally see this golden flip, which the last time that we saw this golden flip, it was the beginning of the bull run. So super bullish. I tend more to bullish side, 70% to see those scenarios as I described before to happen. And that's what I would like to tell you in this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Let me know down below in the comment section if you enjoyed the video and if you have any question, and I will see ya in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.